Good morning from Huaraz in Peru, and the time is 2:45 a.m. and Nick and I are up at this ungodly hour, having slept for about 2 or 3 hours after I was spewing my ring up last night after eating a dodgy burger in town. So not feeling too great. Anyway, we're up and we're about to go and hike Mateo Summit, which is an altitude of just over 5,000 meters. And first of all, we've got a 2-hour drive in a bus to the starting point of the trailhead. And from there, we will get our hike on. But for now, check out our little hotel room here in Huaraz. It looks like a bomb's hit it, but yeah, it's doing the job. So we've got our beds here. We've got a little side stand and our bathroom. And then outside, scoozy, Shabbat. Outside, we have got the quiet morning of Huaraz. So yeah, we're gonna head downstairs, meet the gang that we're hiking with today, and we'll see you on the bus. Cheers. Morning. So the time is coming up 6 p.m. So that was just shy of a 3-hour drive. Man, it was bumpy all the way. Didn't get a wink of shut eye. And now we are somewhere up in the hills of Peru. Not sure of the name, but this is where the trailhead will start for our hike. And this is going to be the last hike in Peru. I am done with hiking. I'm ready for a little bit of feet up action, bit of Netflix and some good grub, mate. So this is the last one. Anyway, it's raining a little bit too. Shit. But this is the surrounding so far. Mist and big mountains that I do not want to slip off. Ah, mate. Now it's starting to snow. Shit bags. Oh, it's fucking freezing up here too. Mate, I'm gonna be all complaints today. Screw it. All complaints for Chrissy Boy today. Sorry, ears of those watching. That up there reads 4,736 meters. So that is the altitude that we're starting at today. Tunnel Puntala Olympica. So 4,736 meters. Crikey, mate. Alright, gotta go and get kitted up because we've got to put crampons on our shoes because there's a part of this is through like a glacier and we've got to hike up snow. Hola. Alright, all kitted up and the first ascent up this rocky mountain. I gotta focus on this footsteps. But we're going up here. Man. So we got a total altitude climb of like 450 meters, I believe, until the top of Mateo. But before that, we're gonna get up this rocky ridge thing. Listo?
Listo.
Oh. Okay, probably not the best. Let me fucking GoPro out.
Gotta get the grub in.
Oh, the struggle. Oh, mate.
Scrambling.
Wow. In the snow. You going this way?
I'm following you.
Okay, probably not the best idea, but next descent. There. Slippery, mate. We got it, Tal, haven't we?
You got it.
We got it.
Arriba.
Arriba. Alright, I'm putting the GoPro down now because I'm going to slip my ass to an imminent death. So, see you up there, hopefully. Shit myself on that fucking thing. Steep climb down there. Slippery rocks too. Oh, mate.
Oh, try this.
I haven't seen anything like this before. Wow, mate. Oh. And we have to go all the way up it. We've got to scale it now. So we've been given crampons, which is the spiky things to put on the bottom of our boots. And then we'll be on our way. But yeah, check it out. Wow. Look at that. Amazing. Whew, here's to new experiences. Okay, let's catch up. Without breaking my ankle. On go the crampons, and then we are following amigos and amigas up there. How far? Lejos or cerca? Or approximately
30 minutes or 40
minutos?
minutes.
Sí, arriba.
Sí,
Oh.
estamos cerca, close.
Okay. So 30 minutes up.
20.
30 minutes up. So,
Really?
yeah.
30 minutes up, yes.
Okay. You can do it.
We do it, yes, of course.
Of course. Claro, claro. Alright. Alright. I can't talk. Incredible. It's tough, different. Yeah. Next crampons came off. Man. How steep this is. Fucking freezing too. Check that out. Like a mini, I know what it is. Some ice popsicle things. Looks cool from here. Back. Whoa. So we've got this much to go. Wow. Nearly there. Sorry if this vlog's a little all over the place. This is hard and steep. Alright. Just sitting here. Sit down. Fucking don't get on there. Fuck me. There's a sheer drop down there. Right down to the mountains. Shit, boy. What's your balance there, mate? And then a little crevasse. Hold on, everyone. Mate, I'm shitting myself, yeah? Yeah. The fear of heights is fucking... Mate. Oh, shit. End of vlog, people. We have summited. Woo! Go on, thank you. Ciao. Woo! Gracias, mío.